Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole Vane of Moonlight Beach Dental, and I just wanted to talk about something that I think is essential for healing, and that's red light therapy. I have one of these red lights at home, these masks. I love it so much. I use it daily to decrease inflammation and just overall to stimulate healing within my body. So, how do we use it here at the office? Well, we have our high potency one that goes up to 1200 in wavelength. And this one is deeply penetrating. This one we use for any of our surgeries or anyone who's having any discomfort in any area or swelling. And the way it works is by stimulating ATP and stimulating your mitochondria to start the healing process. So if there's a blocked inflammatory cascade, then it actually starts to turn it back on again. Now, I found it so effective that we were using it in office and I wanted patients to have one that they could take home. So we have ones that are shaped just like the ones we use in the office that can go directly inside of the mouth. It can stimulate the cheekbones. You can use it in any area in your mouth where you're having pain or where you want to decrease inflammation. So if you want to come in and have red light incorporated into your therapy, then just come on in to Moonlight Beach Dental.